In this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to take your Echo Dot outside, or really anywhere. Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. What we're going to be doing in this video is basically how to make your Echo device mobile. So I'm actually outside now, because outside you don't really have outlets all over the place like you do inside. And actually at our house we only have an outlet inside of our screen room, but we don't have it on the back side of our house at all. So if we wanted to bring our Echo devices outside, it would be pretty difficult without using a battery. So what we have here is this base right here. And this base, you basically just slide your Echo Dot 3rd generation onto it, and it will click right in to these. There's a plastic post here that goes into the headphone jack, and then the power is the silver one here. And this base is a GGM model D3, and it has a 5200 milliamp lithium ion battery in the base here. So when you plug in your Echo device, you'll have constant power and up to 7 hours of power. So if we take our Echo Dot and our base, all we have to do is where the holes are on the back and the power connection is on our Echo Dot, is we just need to slide it into the base, and just like that we have installed it into the base. So to turn on the base, all we need to do is press and hold. It's a wasp. All we need to do is press and hold this front 1 button here, and then blue LED lights come on. Not sure if you actually be able to see that out in the sun here, but you have 4 dots there, so it will tell you basically 25% increments of the battery. Now it is on, and my Echo is actually starting up. Can't really see it, but it is starting up because it has the power now. And then to turn it off, you can just press the button for 2 seconds to turn it off. But now with this base, I can take my Echo device anywhere. I'm not limited to any place that has power, so I can pick it up upstairs, downstairs, front porch, back porch. I could even take it to my car, to the beach, anywhere you want to take your Echo. Just make sure you charge up your base first. So now we can test it. Echo, what's the weather going to be like today?
In Myrtle Beach, it's 87 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds, with a high of 88 degrees and a low of 75 degrees.
Alright, and you can see that the sound quality is basically exactly the same as if it was sitting in your house anywhere. And the really cool thing is on the back here, there is where you plug it in to charge it. But what you can do is you can actually charge it while it's on the base, and then when you want to take the base out or any other place, you can just unplug it and then take it wherever you want to go. So what we're doing is we don't have a dedicated Echo for this base right here. We're just using one that we have in the house, and all we do is when we're done using it in a portable way, we just take it inside, plug it in the back, and then we can have it fully charged for the next time we want to make it portable again. So this is a really cool device. They also have another model which is called a D7, and it's much taller, so it would actually be an additional speaker that you'd be adding on to your Echo device. This is just the battery, and it's using the speaker of just the Echo device itself. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or anything, I will leave a link in the video description on where to get this. It's relatively inexpensive for what it does. Gives you the freedom with your Echo devices. But I will see you in the next video.